Hey there, fellow financial enthusiasts. Welcome back to Financial Futures. Today, we're diving deep into a thought-provoking topic that's been making waves in the realm of financial assistance: the concept of monthly cash payments versus the myriad of federal programs currently in place. Buckle up, because we're about to. Picture this: over 100 federal programs scattered across the nation, each offering financial aid to millions of low-income and fixed-income Americans. Sounds like a lifeline, right? Well, hold on to your hats, because the reality is a bit more complicated than that. Let's talk numbers. Billions upon billions of dollars are funneled into administering these programs. But here's the kicker: the process is anything but smooth sailing. For many, navigating the paperwork, enduring endless phone calls, and playing the waiting game feels more like a nightmare than a solution. But what if I told you there's a simpler, more efficient alternative on the horizon? Enter the concept of monthly cash payments. Imagine receiving a direct stipend every month, free to allocate it as you see fit. No more jumping through hoops, no more bureaucratic red tape. Just financial freedom. Let's face it, the current system is flawed. From Medicaid purges to stringent eligibility criteria, it's clear that something's gotta give. People are slipping through the cracks, left without the support they desperately need. But here's where things get interesting. Studies have shown that ongoing cash payments, like universal or guaranteed basic income programs, can be a game changer. With more financial autonomy, individuals can improve their quality of life, from accessing healthier food options to securing stable housing. As someone who values efficiency and minimalism, the idea of empowering individuals to manage their own finances resonates deeply with me. Why waste resources on bloated bureaucracy when we could be putting that money directly into the hands of those who need it most? But hey, don't just take my word for it. I want to hear from you. Do you believe in the power of monthly cash payments, or do you see flaws in this approach? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated on all things financial futures. Let's jump into our second topic. First up, let's talk about the escalating tension at the border. President Joe Biden has issued a 24-hour ultimatum to Governor Greg Abbott of Texas, demanding the release of control over the border back to the Border Patrol. The stakes are high, with 25 governors from different states backing Governor Abbott in what could potentially escalate into a crisis. Reports suggest that this showdown could even lead to talks of civil unrest. Stay tuned as we monitor the situation closely. Despite pressure from the Biden administration, Texas remains steadfast in its defense of the border. Governor Abbott has declared the border crisis an invasion and invoked Texas's constitutional right to self-defense. The use of razor wire and the involvement of the Texas National Guard have further intensified the standoff, with legal battles and political maneuvers unfolding on both sides. Shifting gears, let's discuss the upcoming payments for Social Security beneficiaries in February. According to the Washington Examiner, payments will begin on February 1, with individual filers set to receive up to $943. The schedule continues throughout the month, ensuring timely support for those relying on Social Security benefits. Be sure to mark your calendars and stay informed about the payment dates. And that wraps up today's video. I hope you found the updates informative and insightful. As always, your support means the world to me, so don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content. Feel free to share your thoughts and comments down below, and let's keep the conversation going. Until next time, take care and stay informed.